Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can compress your PDF with iLovePDF.com. So basically what you'll need to do is go to iLovePDF.com and click on compress PDF, and right here you'll need to select a PDF file. So I will select this one, and right here you'll get that you can add more files, and for this you'll need to select a compression level. So for the extreme compression, you will see that it is less quality, high compression, good quality and good compression for the recommended one. And for the less compression, high quality but less compression. So just go with the recommended compression, click compress PDF, and right here you'll be able to download your compressed PDF right here. And if you save it, you'll see that your PDF now is compressed in size. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.